In today's video, I'm going to show you how I've been using this brand new website, and this is something that I never showed you before, guys. You can see the payment sent, I made $88. Then right here, payment sent, $198 completed. I can check out the details. And these are the payments that I've been generating, $157 right here, payment sent, and also $238 right here, payment sent, and also this one, $385.44. Now, I have just set this up. It took me like 50 minutes and it's currently making me at around $35 on average every single hour. And in today's video, guys, I want to show you this brand new website, exactly how to use it, but more importantly, how to set it up. So it's only going to take you like 15 minutes. You don't have to show your face on camera, and then exactly one of the fastest way to get completely zero cost traffic to this website to actually make money by doing this. Overall, you can make easily over $300 per day with it, but also when I was testing it out, I pretty much made like $198, then $88 right here, which I know it's not a lot, but $157, $238, and $385. So I think on the average, it's making this amount of money, and you can do it without any investment, without showing your face on camera, and also without any social media followers. Okay, so let's get started. Now, first thing what you need to do, and this is like an extra step right away from the beginning, is we need to actually create multiple offers and affiliate links, so we are going to be making the most amount of money. Now the one that I recommend right away is just go to clickbank.com or also go to Digistore Warrior Plus, but for this one, Clickbank is going to work super well. And then you want to go to e-business and e-marketing, and these are the offers we are currently looking for because they perform very well. Now, these are the live chat jobs, okay? You have to try this one. So these offers that are pretty much like about work or some kind of remote job people can do online. These are the ones that we are looking for. Now, this one also has like a $1 trial, so it's going to be converting very well. Then also this one right here, which is very well known, called Get Paid to Use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Also this one right here, WriteAppReviews.com, get paid to review apps on your phone. And also this one, paid online writing jobs, get paid to do simple writing jobs online. So these are the pretty much offers we are looking for. Now, this is one way to actually get them, because pretty much right here, this one is going to pay you like $107 on average, then this one $38, then this one $19, and this one $59. Okay, so what you want to do is go to Clickbank and just go to the top categories, and these are going to be the affiliate offers we are going to be using first. Then also you want to go to CPA Grip, sign up for an account. Again, pretty simple, just put in the details, put that you are email website/instant/GPT, any of these settings, tell them you are coming from Incognito Money, click check right here, and then click on register now, and then just go my offers, and you want to go right here to United States again, and we are pretty much looking again for the work from home jobs. Now, pretty much one offer right here is this one right here, take surveys with opinions that pay, because this is completely free. Now, also the next thing, you can also go to TapMob, and by the way, just on this account, I made over $3,000 already. You can see that I'm going to be recording a new videos about TapMob very soon, so you should definitely subscribe, and don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so you are never going to miss out on that. I would really appreciate it. But also on the TapMob, you want to use these offers as well, because they are going to be paying you a lot of money. Okay, now once you're going to reach like a couple $1,000s on TapMob, you are going to get increased payout as well, so you want to use TapMob as well. Okay, but I really want to show you the method that we are going to be using, so you want to get these offers. For this case, I'm going to use this one. So CPA, if you just want to go CPA, go with this offer. And then if you want to do Clickbank and affiliate marketing, which I do recommend you're going to do with this method, definitely go with like live chat jobs and these job offers. Okay, job offers, not the make money online products, digital courses, but these offers. Now, the next thing what you want to do is you want to go to Google and you want to search for this website, CARRD, card. Okay, and this is pretty much the first website you want to go to, card.com, and you just want to sign up. It's completely free, and this is a website builder that I actually use myself when I am promoting other affiliate products, being incognito, meaning I don't use my face to do this. So I'm using these no-face Instagram pages. I use these no-face Instagram, not Instagram, but TikTok accounts and stuff like that. Whenever you're going to actually come across a page that's hosted on Card, most likely it's going to be my page. Okay, now pretty much when you're going to sign up, this is how it's going to look like. Now, first of all, just go to new site, and I'm going to show you like the best converting template that works every single time when you are actually promoting anything with this method. And you want to scroll down until you're going to find this template right here. It's called the next thing, the next big thing. It's pretty much looking like this, and this is a template that I use all the time when I'm promoting my offers because it's super simple, it's really high quality, and it's going to increase your conversion rate because most people are going to use Google Sites and stuff like that, which is going to work. But this is my secret sauce, and this is the reason why I also like don't shout it out in every single video, but just here and there, just for my loyal viewers, so you are going to get all the details. And pretty much this is what I use, okay? And this is how the template is looking like. So it has like this little image and headline. This is what I use to actually call the entire website. So this is like the headline for the entire website. You really want to make sure when you are creating these pages, it's pretty much like one thing, okay? So for example, if you are promoting a make money online product, everything right there is about make money online. When you are promoting a keto product or a weight loss product, the entire website is about weight loss as well, because this is how it's going to look like, okay? Now, first of all, the bottom, you can just click on it and then click right here on the trash icon to delete it and click on yes, and then also click on this part right here and delete pretty much everything you're going to have at the bottom. So again, let me do this and delete it really quickly, this part as well, and then this part as well, and also this last part, entire thing as well. Do you want to preserve them? No, so it's going to delete the entire container, and okay. And now we have pretty much like 3 or 2 these little showcases for the main things that we are promoting. Now pretty much for the headline, what you want to write here, you just click on it and then you just click the site title and put there easy ways to earn extra income online, because we are going to be putting multiple of them. And then you just want to click on this little brush icon and make it like smaller, so it's not going to take the entire page. I like to use like 2 lines, so don't make the title too long, because you want to make sure it's going to be able to shrink into like 2 lines. And then pretty much right here, list a few easy work from home jobs you can start right now without any prior skills or experience. And then for the image, you can put there something or you can just delete it. Just make sure it's not going to be blank. Okay, now leave the little arrow right there, because when people are going to be scrolling this on their phone, they are going to see like easy ways to earn extra income online and then nothing else. So they need to get like a direction of what to do after that. Now, if you're going to scroll down, this is where we are actually going to be putting our affiliate offers. So first of all, you want to get your first affiliate offer, live chat jobs. Click on the sales page of the offer, and this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so this is pretty much right here, and this is something that I don't actually like, so I'm just going to go to the affiliate page. I'm going to use a different affiliate link to pretty much get a different sales page, because this one is like, I don't want this one. This is what you want to do. Just click on select landing page and then click on variation. For example, 280. I'm going to put there something. Okay, create a hop link, click on the hop link and check out the page, how it's going to look like. Okay, this is much better. And now what you want to do, I use this little extension called Lightshot. If you just Google it, Lightshot, this is what I use to pretty much create a not short, but small screenshot. Make sure to don't include the country, because in this case, it's customized to me. So you want to make sure that when people are going to click on the affiliate link, it's going to be customized to them. If I put my country there, the image is not going to customize. So you highlight this entire part, then you take this little underlining thing and underline the $280 per day and $35 per hour right here. Okay, it doesn't need to be perfect. And then you want to save the screenshot. Then you go to the page, to the card builder, click on upload, and you put it right there. Then make sure you're going to put the entire thingy there and click on accept. And now pretty much you want to click on it as well, and you want to just get it at the first part. You can see right here it's going to distort it, but if you go all the way to the left, it's going to be looking much better. Okay, and now pretty much you just want to write here what is the job about. Again, you can use this you can use the sales page to actually get all the things you need. And again, make sure it's only like 2 lines, because then it's going to be hard to read. And then $30, $35 right this. Okay, put it right here again, and then pretty much you want to click on this little text and you want to duplicate it and then copy like most of the text right here. And then this is really going to be like a small size text. Okay, this is not going to be something like a selling point. Okay, you want to make sure this is going to be like a small part like this, so it's not going to take a lot of real estate. And then details, guess what, this is going to be your affiliate link. Now the affiliate link, you want to make sure you're going to use the same one you used for the preview on the card. Okay, so you want to go right here and then highlight this entire part, right click, copy. You don't have to shrink it actually. Click on details, and then you just want to change the label, like click here to sign up, and then the URL right here is going to be your affiliate link, and click on done. Okay, so this is going to be the first page, and also I forgot to change this part, so I'm going to delete this part, and also this one should be much bigger actually, but it's going to be changing both of these. Okay, now I'm kind of like too lazy to create a new one, but this is what you want to do. Okay, like these little windows, because this is what's going to actually do the selling for you, this high quality page. And again, you want to make sure you're going to highlight this entire thing, and you want to do the same for the next one. So I will show you the next one as well. So this is live chat jobs, and for example, the second one is going to be get paid to use Facebook. Now if I click on it, check out the sales page. Okay, now this is a good screenshot that we can use. So again, click on the live chat, highlight this entire part just like this. Try to make it like square size, because then it's going to look very cool. Again, get the underline, make sure to underline the amount, and also add a little arrow, for example. And yeah, that's it. And then again, save it, upload it to the cart, and again, resize it, click on accept, then click on it, and then the width, change it to the smallest amount, so it's going to resize accordingly. And again, now just get something from the sales page and put it right here. So online social media jobs. Okay, so online social media jobs that pay $50 per hour. Copy that part, you want to put it right here. And again, to change the text, you click on the A to change the text, and you click on the little brush icon to change the appearance. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. And again, come right here to the sales page, and then you just want to put the information right here. So just like this, it's really just copy and paste. And then again, details, you want to put here, click here to sign up, and then you want to get your affiliate link for this one, and again, create hop link, copy that, and put it right here. Okay, and click on done. I want to do it for all the offers. I recommend like going for like 3 to 5. Again, don't overdo it like 100, because nobody's going to go through 100 and you are just wasting your effort. Instead of doing like 100 offers, you want to create like multiple pages in different niches. So I recommend like going to 3 to 5, but this is like the thing you want to do. And then what you want to do is you want to click on publish this site, click on this little diskette, if you remember what this is not just a save icon, and pretty much click on the title and put there something that's related to your website. So pretty much easy ways to earn extra income online. And then description, again, you can just click on the description of the website, click on save, and paste it right there. Then action, make sure to publish it to a cart core URL. That's going to be working, no problem. And then pretty much extra ways to earn online 2023 is available, and click on publish. Okay, now this is the secret sauce of actually converting this, because if you're going to put it on Google site, you can make money with this, but the conversion rate is not going to be as high. But because I'm also using this myself, I don't want to be shouting out cart in every single one of my videos, because it's just a secret sauce that I use myself. And now when you click on view site, this is where you are actually going to come, and there are all these animations. Okay, this is the reason why we are using it, because this doesn't seem like just like a Google website. When people come here, it's like very aesthetically pleasing to watch this website and go through it. So easy ways to earn extra income online. You can see this just didn't just appear, but actually is just like a very good animation to it. It has animation. So work as live chat assistant, 280 per day. People can see it right here. Then click here to sign up. Make sure your affiliate links are actually working. And then also the second one right here, click here to sign up. Again, this is what they are going to go to. And again, you want to add like 3 to 5, because again, people are not going to go through more than like 10, and the effort is much better used if you're going to actually create multiple sites in different niches, and that way how you're going to make the most amount of money. And now you really just need to send traffic to it. Now I created a in-depth tutorial on how to get unlimited traffic using Instagram without even showing your face. So for that, all you have to do is just use your phone and create a brand new Instagram account, and this is the video on how to do that. In that video, I'm telling you that the monetization part is going to be in a separate video. This is the video about it. You want to use the card website. Make sure to use the card website. If you're going to find an Instagram account that actually has a card website, most likely it's my account, or after this video it's some of your accounts. But this is the way I make money from the Instagram, because most people are using like bio link and all these shorteners, which are good, but this is better because nobody is doing this and it's not saturated. So to see the tutorial, just click right here and see exactly how to get thousands, tens of thousands of free visitors to your card website and make a lot of money.